Wait, what's that saying about birds? It's like one bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. But he's gonna have two birds, and then he's gonna steal all their money. Two hands in the bird's bush. No, I don't think that's right either. Yeah, I don't know.